In this video, I'll show you how to use tagging in tawk.to to organize chats, contacts, and tickets so you can work faster and find what you need in seconds. Tags are custom labels you create to fit your workflow. Urgent, VIP customer, payment issue. You decide. Let's start with chats. You can tag a chat manually by hovering over the tag icon at the top of a conversation, whether it's ongoing or stored in your inbox. Select an existing tag or type a new one, and it's saved instantly. For automation, use shortcuts. Add an action, select Change Tags, click on Add Tags and select the tag that matches the inquiry, and even add up to 5 keyword triggers. If AI Assist is enabled, it can detect those keywords, send the shortcut message, and apply the tag for you. Tagging contacts works the same way. Open the contact's details, click the plus sign under Tags. Choose or create your tag, and it's applied straight away. To remove it, hover over the tag and click the X. Tickets can be tagged in 2 ways. Click the tag icon in the top right corner of the ticket header, or use the tag option in the lower right corner of the ticket's details panel. Enter your tag and click Save. Either way, the tag is applied immediately. Once your tags are in place, filtering becomes simple. In your inbox, use the filter option to show only chats or tickets with certain tags. In reporting, you can filter charts by tag to focus on the data that matters. With consistent tagging, your team can stay organized, reporting becomes more powerful, and you can focus on what's most important. For more tutorials, visit the tawk.to Academy or book a call with our customer support team.